Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted emails in Outlook. So in order to recover deleted emails, it's quite easy. So all you need to do is head over to outlook.com, or you can just use the Outlook app, it will all be the same. Once you're at your inbox right here, you will find all of these options right here, and all you need to do is click on deleted items right here. Once you've done that, you first need to know that items will only stay in this folder for 30 days, and after that they are automatically basically removed from this deleted folder, and then you will never be able to see them. But now let's say that you have some emails in here that you have just recently deleted and you want to get them back. Then all you need to do is basically select that email you want to get back, just like this. Once you've done that, you can simply click on that check mark right here. And basically, once you've done that, you will right here find this restore button, where you can click on, and the second you have done that, you will notice that it will now be removed from deleted items and it will be back into your inbox again, or in your drafts, whatever email type of email it is basically. But yeah, that's all you need to do in order to recover deleted emails on Outlook. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.